Well, George, as you well know, I've got a bee in my bonnet about trees and garden trees. And this line of 6 different types of garden tree are meant to demonstrate different shapes, sizes, the different characteristics of them. This is your choice. It's an Amilantia, but I don't know this particular selection.
Right. This is a thing called rainbow pillar. Narrow,
Yeah.
columnar form,
Aye.
and normally when we get those, we're really wanting them to grow as the shape of a Lombardy poplar.
And you're going to prune it.
I'm going to prune it. Now, the interesting thing is when we prune normal plants, we're pruning it to get them to go out the way.
Yeah.
I want to prune this to get it to go in the way. So when I prune these shoots there, that one there, for example, I'm going to prune that to an inward-facing bud, so that then it grows in the way, okay? But the other thing that we've got to remember with this is we want to select a strong central leader. So we're pruning some of these side shoots off, and we're pruning them to inward-facing buds, like that. And then we're going to leave
That's
this
going to
growth.
emphasise this pencil
Yes,
shape.
it will emphasise the growth. And we have this good form in the plant, which is really quite vital.
And there's many a garden when there'll be room for that sort of thing, but time alone will tell. Right, the next one is Malus Royalty. This was chosen by the staff. Each of us all had a choice. And it was chosen obviously because of its gorgeous foliage, and it does have very nice dark pink flowers as well. But what a mess.
It is a mess, isn't it? It is. You know, the nurseryman has done his business. He's trying to produce a strong central leader like that going straight up, and that's what we want.
Yes.
But we've got a lot of competing branches here, and if we want to have this growing up the way, because that's what we want in the small garden. We want the things to go up and use the space underneath. So what we're going to do is we'll take off these shoots there, and this way I'm pruning to upward or downward facing buds like that, Jim, so that we get the growth reasonably restricted. I'll take that one off there like that.
Yes.
This one we'll take down to there.
And the leader?
And the leader, well, the leader has got, can you take those?
Aye, indeed.
The leader itself, I'm going to pull that right down and I'm going to take it to there, okay? That's it. Now,
this has definite potential, hasn't it? Because wide-angled branches coming out are strong.
It's not like that one down there.
No,
this is going to grow out, and then we'll get the strong central leader. The whole thing then, the structure of this will stay sound for years to come.
We'll remember what you just said.